Hi guys, welcome back to the Review Station channel. In today's video we will be reviewing vidIQ, the YouTube SEO tool. If you are interested in vidIQ, please use the link in our description to get access to a free trial. Anyways, let's get into the video. Firstly, let's go over what we will be looking at in today's video. 1. What is vidIQ? 2. vidIQ features. 3. Pricing of vidIQ. Firstly, let's take a look at what is vidIQ. Are you tired of creating great content for YouTube but not getting the views you deserve? Introducing vidIQ, the YouTube SEO and growth tool. vidIQ is a powerful tool that helps you optimize your videos for search, analyze your competitors, and track your progress. With vidIQ, you can easily research the best keywords to use in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. You can also see how your videos are performing in real time and learn from your competitors. But vidIQ doesn't stop there. It also offers a suite of tools to help you grow your channel, such as A/B testing, video promotion, and audience retention analysis. Say goodbye to guessing and hello to data-driven decisions with vidIQ. Try it out for yourself and see the results for your YouTube channel. Visit vidIQ with the link in the description to start your free trial today and take your YouTube channel to the next level. Secondly, let's get on to some of the main features of vidIQ. vidIQ is a YouTube SEO and growth tool that offers a variety of features to help users optimize their videos for search and grow their channel. Some of the key features include: 1. Keyword research. vidIQ allows users to research the best keywords to use in their video titles, descriptions, and tags in order to improve their visibility in search results. 2. Video optimization. vidIQ offers a suite of tools to help users optimize their videos for search, including the ability to analyze their video's title, description, and tags, and make changes accordingly. 3. Analytics. vidIQ provides users with real-time analytics, including views, likes, and comments, as well as historical data, so they can track the performance of their videos and channel over time. 4. Competitive analysis. vidIQ also allows users to analyze their competitors and learn from their strategies to improve their own channel. 5. Video promotion. vidIQ provides tools to help users promote their videos and grow their channel, such as A/B testing, audience retention analysis, and video promotion. 6. YouTube Studio integration. vidIQ can be integrated with the YouTube Studio, allowing users to access vidIQ tools directly from their YouTube Studio dashboard. 7. Customizable dashboard. vidIQ allows users to customize their dashboard and have a clear view of their important metrics. 8. Video and channel audits. vidIQ offers a comprehensive video and channel audit feature that can help users identify issues and opportunities to improve their channel and video performance. 9. Collaboration. vidIQ allows users to collaborate with other team members and share access to their account. 10. SEO score. vidIQ scores your video based on the optimization, engagement, and authority of your video, channel, and content in the YouTube search results. Lastly, let's have a look at the pricing of vidIQ. vidIQ offers several pricing options for its users, including a free version and paid plans. Firstly, vidIQ offers a free version of its tool, which includes basic features such as keyword research, video optimization, and analytics. Secondly, vidIQ's Pro version includes additional features such as competitive analysis, video promotion, and advanced analytics. The pricing for the Pro version starts at $7.50 per month when paid annually or $10 per month when paid monthly. Thirdly, vidIQ offers a Boost version. This includes all the features of the Pro version, plus additional features such as YouTube Studio integration, customizable dashboard, video and channel audits, and collaboration. The pricing for the Boost version starts at $39 per month when paid annually or $49 per month when paid monthly. Fourthly, vidIQ offers a Max version that includes all the features of the Boost version, plus additional features such as white labeling, team management, and access to vidIQ's support team. The pricing for the agency version starts at $79 per month when paid annually or $99 per month when paid monthly. Finally, vidIQ offers an enterprise version that includes all the features of the Max version, plus additional features such as dedicated account management and custom feature development. The pricing for the enterprise version is not published on the website and varies depending on the client's needs. It's worth noting that vidIQ also offers a 14-day free trial that you can gain access to through the link in my description down below. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. Make sure to click the link in the description if you're interested in vidIQ to get your free trial, as it helps me and the channel out. Anyways, that's all for today guys, bye bye for now.